What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this GMC Sierra remote key fob. This GMC Sierra key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side that my thumb's on. Hold that button down, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now what we want to do is take our key fob, and if we hold it with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put the key in the notch like that, and then I'm just going to angle it up a little bit and use it to push up on the back cover. Once we get that back cover off, we can see our battery right here, and we can see there's these two notches right here. Use either one of those, and if you get your key in there, you can get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we'll snap the back on. And if we take a look at it like this, we want to start this top piece on first. So what I'm going to do is kind of hook that top piece on there like that. And once that top's hooked on, just snap it the rest of the way on. We'll slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.